Sudden unemployment has left homeowners scrambling to make mortgage payments. Now lenders could be dropping the F-bomb. No, not the F-bomb that you think. The F-bomb in the mortgage industry would be forbearance. And I want to bring in Tara Krieg of the TK team at AmeriFirst Financial to explain what exactly forbearance is. Tara, is it free money? Is it loan forgiveness? What is it?
It is not free money, Rob, and I'm glad that we're having this conversation today because I think it's more important than ever that homeowners really understand what these programs are. So a part of the CARE Act allowed for homeowners who have been financially affected by coronavirus to be able to do a forbearance on their mortgage payment. And so all that really is a period of time in which those payments can be delayed. They are in fact not forgiven at all, Rob. And what we're concerned about is much like when you go into a furniture store and there's no payments for the first 3 months, a lot of the initial paperwork that we're seeing on some of these forbearance programs are a balloon payment. So essentially, Rob, they would skip the payment for the first 3 months and on month 4 have all of that money due at one time to bring the mortgage current. And what we're concerned about is that could really put homeowners in a place where they could be so upside down that they could, fall delinquent and potentially lose their home.
But let me get this straight. Okay, so say your mortgage is $1,000 a month,
Yes.
and you don't pay your mortgage for 3 months. Do you owe $3,000 plus the next month $4,000 at the beginning of the 4th month?
You're absolutely right, Rob. The initial paperwork that I've seen on one of the forbearance programs that was offered to a buyer said exactly that. Month 1, 2, and 3, they could skip their payment, and month 4, all of it was due. Now, I do want to specify that FHA and VA have come forward and said they're preparing a plan to help with these families that are struggling, and they're specifically addressing the fact that if after the forbearance period they don't have the money to bring the account current, then they're really looking at like a loan modification where they're taking, that lump sum of money and putting it onto the end of the loan, so they're going to have to get creative with this. But as you guys might recall, back in the housing crisis of 2007, 8, and 9, people got in trouble because they didn't understand these programs that were intended to help. So our word of advice today is if you need help, then please reach out and get assistance in understanding the paperwork if you yourself don't understand it. And in addition to that, if you really can afford to make your mortgage payment, make your mortgage payment, because it's not worth getting yourself into a situation down the road that you'll have a hard time catching up.
Yeah, that's great advice. So yeah, if you do have any questions about forbearance or anything lender related, mortgage related, certainly reach out and give us a call. Thanks, Tara.
You're welcome, Rob. Have a great day.